Every morning, millions of people perform a simple ritual. A quick swipe, a blend, and voila. Blemishes vanish, skin tone evens out, and we are ready to face the world. But for your skin, this isn't just a beauty routine, it's an event. While you see a smoother complexion, your cells see a massive complex logistical operation. So what actually happens when you apply foundation? To understand the effect, we first need to meet the locals. Your skin's outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is like a highly fortified city wall. These brick-like cells are your keratinocytes, packed tightly with lipids to keep moisture in and pathogens out. And living on this wall is a thriving, delicate ecosystem, your microbiome. Billions of friendly bacteria that act as your skin's personal security detail. Plus, your pores are constantly pushing out sebum, a natural oil that keeps everything lubricated and protected. It's a busy, self-sustaining metropolis. Now, when you apply foundation, you aren't just putting on color. You are introducing a complex cocktail of chemistry to this ecosystem. Foundations are typically emulsions of pigments, like iron oxides, suspended in a base of water, oils and polymers, or silicones. The silicones fill in the microscopic valleys and pores, creating that smooth airbrush texture we see. The pigments sit on top of the cells, reflecting light to create the illusion of a flawless surface, and the oils soften the outermost skin cells. For most skin types, a good foundation is like a lightweight, temporary fence. Your cells tolerate it just fine, but it is an interaction. If the foundation is too heavy, or if it's left on for 16 hours, things get interesting. The very ingredients that make your skin look smooth can also block your pores. That natural sebum has nowhere to go. It piles up. This trapped, oxygen-free environment is the perfect party spot for certain bacteria, like P. acnes, which normally live peacefully on your skin. They multiply rapidly. Your immune system notices this bacterial overgrowth and sends in the troops, inflammation leading to, well, a breakout. Foundation isn't inherently bad for your skin. It's an advanced piece of material science that can boost confidence and protect against environmental elements. However, it is a foreign substance resting on a living ecosystem. The key isn't necessarily avoiding it, but respecting the biological systems underneath. This means 1. Choosing formulas suited for your skin type. 2. Proper cleansing to remove every trace before bed. And 3. Giving your skin city a break every now and then to just breathe. Because sometimes the best defense for your skin barrier is simply letting it do its job.